Alright, so that first video I posted, I didn't really show you guys much of the car actually because I wasn't really thinking about it too hard right then, but so I just thought I'd give you an update. We did do some suspension removal. We checked out the frame. The frame looks like it's in good shape. We cut out a lot of the bad spots, getting ready to have the whole quarter section cut out and pulled. So anyways, I just wanted to show you what we're working with here. The engine's in pretty good shape. Everything's kind of where it belongs. Headlights broke, not a huge deal. Bumper actually survived. There's a little bit of a little damage here, which isn't that big of a deal. This little wave, so we'll have to deal with that. Not super major. Yeah, it's not much different than the other side. So we'll probably be able to massage that back into place. The front member is in pretty good shape. Surprisingly, the door hinge, now the door was folded all the way back. It looks like broke the head off of one of the bolts. The other one's still in there. So this guy right here came forward and did some damage to the A-pillar. Also a tiny wave in the A-pillar right here. Just right along here. You can see the tire mark from the other vehicle. It's where it hit it. We're gonna probably have to section out the entire B pillar all the way down because there is damage down here as well. I'm gonna try to figure out how to keep the VIN plate, obviously. The lower sill is obviously a very large area of damage all the way up into the quarter area. Again, the C pillar is completely toast. That's all got to go. Strangely enough, the damage actually starts right here, which luckily enough, the roof did not crack. As you guys know, these are carbon roofs. They're very tricky to delaminate, so the fact that it didn't break is a great news. The body shop gentleman came and looked, and he's pretty sure that we can section this part out completely, cut off the inside, and then obviously this all has to go. The flash panel, the rear flash panel's dead. But luckily, you guys probably won't be able to see, the shock tower actually didn't move very far. We're still gonna cut the whole piece out and section it out anyways, but just good news. The actual little unibody frame rail is actually intact. It has a small bend way in the back here. So again, that's something we're pretty sure can get pulled as opposed to needing a full replacement. The tray, obviously pulled downward. Again, unsure of whether or not that will be pulled up or not. New bumper, obviously, all that good stuff. Funny enough, the interior is actually intact for the most part, obviously minus the missing door panels and stuff here. But we actually tried to just give it a little clean, and my guys tried to scrub it a little bit, and it actually cleans up pretty well considering how long this has been sitting in the Arizona heat. So kind of impressed. On the front of the car, the dash has a little bit of minor, cosmetic damage, but nothing really substantial. The car actually will run right now. It fires up. It actually has no check engine lights, no errors, nothing. It's kind of wild, actually. So, anyways, thought I'd give you guys the rundown. So that's where we're at, and I guess we will check in with you after we get the new suspension on, put the wheel back on, potentially drive it out of the shop just for shits and grins, I guess. So, I don't know. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate everybody. I'm actually shocked how many people watched that original video and left positive comments. A couple of you guys even donated to the GoFundMe. It's much appreciated. Not the typical internet bullying that you kind of expect these days, but you guys rock. So thanks again for watching. I'll keep you updated as I go.